Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all reposts in TikTok at once. So all you need to do is open your profile and then go to settings and privacy and then go to help center. After that you can click on chat with us, write ticket here. You click on submit ticket and then you can write a message like I need you to delete all my reposts at once. After you submit, it will take about 2 days and all your reposts will be gone. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.